Greetings and welcome to another excellent World of Tanks video. In fact, this is game number 2 of the Flaming Churchill Oke. So, you know what's going on. It's time to flame on. So, let's get to the action, shall we? Because this one is a good one. Welcome to Halluf. Alright, well, when you play Halluf, you pay attention, you'll see that heavy tanks head to Alpha 1. So I figured, well, when in Rome, do what the Romans do. Head to Alpha 1. There we go. Good old desert camo. If you haven't seen this tank in action before, you're going to get a good display of what it can do. Hey, shot of opportunity. Yeah. Now, normally I wouldn't recommend doing what I'm going to do. But on tier 5, it's not too bad. But higher tiers, you're going to get hurt. I would have gone left in a bigger match. Trying to see if there's... There we go. Sniper-ooski. This gun fires super fast, as you can tell. He's gone. Got some good damage out of that guy. So that was bonus damage there. Now I'm headed to the primary combat area to back these dudes up. But you gotta be mindful of that artillery. Hey, buddy. Tag. This gun fires super fast. And it's just annoying. You don't want to be on the receiving end. There's a genius for us. Hey, buddy. Got a present for you. Flame on. He won't be lasting long, I can tell you that. You're fired. And yes, you can have this tank for a whopping 2,700 gold in the store. The fun factor for this tank, which you just saw, makes it a good deal. Makes me want to laugh at those idiots who bought those overpowered cheater tanks for Cold War Era 3. Like, you guys spent a fortune for that, you morons. And there's no fun in Era 3. There's no fun in Era 3 at all. The guy up in front of me is a Ram 2, and he's having a monster game. I had no idea he was scoring like he was scoring. But he's headed to... You can't see him on the replay for some reason. But he's headed up to the artillery to give that guy a beating. Right? Yes. And I told him I'm coming in to help him as fast as possible if I can get there, which I can't because he's going to take care of that dude. There's the artillery. There goes the Ram. Butt whooping, baby. He got to him. Game over. Now, he's going to get killed. But man, he had a monster game. You'll see at the end on the credits. Well, it's not credits, but you know what I mean. He didn't stand a chance. Unfortunately, Luke's got into our base and was crushing dudes. So I went here, figured I'll just butcher anybody that shows up, but I got a light tank that followed me and will be joining me momentarily. In fact, he's already here. There he is, right there by the gear. I mean, I was so single-minded on getting to anybody here at the base that I had, wasn't even paying attention that he was that close behind me. And victory! I thought, dude, I had a great game. I'm MVP. Oh, I'm not MVP at all. That Ram 2 guy was on fire. Not the way I use it, but he was playing awesome. Over 2,000 damage. That was crazy. It was a one-man wrecking crew, I'm telling you. So, here is the end of game screen. I killed 4 guys. 1,600 damage, that was terrific. 200 assist. This is exactly what you're looking for. 11,000 commander experience, that's because I have, 3-star Monty in there. Look at these medals. Bruiser, etc., etc. This is the good one. Arsonist. Flame on. But that Ram 2, I've never seen a Ram 2 score like that. That was just unbelievable. So he was the super MVP. And I was no slouch myself. Like I said, that enemy Luke's went in there and terrorized our dudes because they didn't know what they were doing. Fortunately, the 3 of us did good with that light tank that followed me in. So that was all good. So this was game number 2 and the first win in this tank. And you saw yourself that in a tier 5 match, it's a very good tank. I mean, it's about as effective as a Churchill 3. Just depends on your perspective. Tomato, one might be slightly better than the other. But the fire looks fantastic and it's very effective. I mean, you saw me just drill that guy and it was over once the flame hit him. There's just nothing you could do. I don't know if it worked like that, with the effectiveness in reality, but man, that would be a horrible way to get whacked. So, thumbs up for this dude. I'm telling you, this tank is really good. It's fun to play. It's as fun to play as it looks like it might be. So please leave a like for this video. Tell your friends, and they'll have a chance to leave a like and maybe subscribe as well. I have more games coming as I get them. So I'm pounding these out as quickly as I play them. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in another one very soon.